to show you these Bluetooth headsets that I received from the company. I feel completely like late to the party on these. So these are unbelievably lightweight. Personally, I don't love earbuds always because I find that it like starts to hurt my ears, especially if I'm on a call for a while or I listen to a lot of podcasts and different type of like videos on my earbuds and it starts to like bother me. These are just like so lightweight, you can't even tell that they're on. I'll take them off in a minute to show you, but I am recording this video using it so you can hear the audio through it. So when I take it off, you'll hear that difference pretty quickly. So it charges very quickly on this base, which is nice. It's like it doesn't slip. You plug the base in and then you set the headset in here and that's how it charges. You can move these out of the way. So if you're on a call and you don't want to have the microphone right next to your mouth, you can like easily flip them. And then it just goes around on here and sits. So super lightweight, excellent sound quality. And for me, what's like above and beyond anything is just like how it's not going to bother me if I need to be on the phone for a while and I don't want to have my earbuds in for an extended period of time. I also don't love I just don't love like having a lot of things on my head like that. You know, even the over the head headsets I can find start to bother me. You can't even like tell that it's there. So I'm going to take them off so you can see what it looks like up close. I'm still talking into the microphone, so you know the audio should be good. It pairs super quickly by just pressing the button and very easy to figure out how to put on and off, and then this will twist up and down and around. Really happy with these. Definitely pick this up if you're looking for a headset like this.